This is one of the basic function which in this opportunity everywhere if required you need to use this action profile. Like these functions, basic functions required to customize for all transactions, but we are learning one by one on different transactions. So in this opportunity transaction, sales assistant, what business process need to be followed? Suppose as my running notes, if you can observe here, yesterday I sent you the notes.
Yeah, I saw those.
Welcome to GoToMeeting, online meetings made easy. There are 2 other callers on the call.
Called as action profile. Each action profile followed by various actions. Stages. Stages means phases of we define customer. Likewise, see here, this is here Tata Motor sales cycle. Here you can we customized Honda sales cycle. We have 4 phases 1, 2, 3, 4. In that every phase, what actions the sales assistant need to be performed. Action 1, action 2, action 3, likewise.
Okay.
So I given 6 stages and 15 actions, but for example we took 4 stages in that one action profile. How to customize, we'll see the step-by-step process.
Okay.
So just we'll take the process. Yesterday, what is the stages? Yes.
Y1, Y2.
Suppose
Ramesh is
this
also
is
here.
Honda sales. Stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. So every stage will define one action profile. Gathering information. How he can gather information? See here, like identifying customer data. Gather customer missed information, or arrange and prepare visit. Anything. Control. Again we will define one more action code. Qualification. Honda qualification.
Hey Raj,
So we will take hi Bhunesh.
hi Raj. Can you make me organizer or something? I don't think I'm able to record this. So, thanks.
We've just started, Bhuvnesh is just going through the action profile.
one more action we are customizing in second stage. And negotiation is the third stage. In this we will customize from sales team. We will put some meeting. See, in our Honda sales cycle, we have 4 stages. In that every stage we are customizing one action. Okay, this action should be done in this first stage, and this action should be done in the second stage, this action should be done in third stage, and this action should be done in the fourth stage. So, this is the way we require as per our client requirement. So, we already customized the sales cycle and we assign stages, and those sales cycle we assign to our transaction. Now we need to customize the action profile as per this requirement. So go to the system,
Raj?
Yes.
Yeah, this action profile is assigned to the sales cycle, right?
Yes.
And
Assigned to your transaction.
assigned to the transaction. I'm a little confused here, Raj, because
All stages of your action profile assigned to sales stage. See, Mr. Hello. You
Yeah.
are defining 1, 2, 3, 4 actions. Okay? So
Right.
you may define 10 actions or 15 actions. These all actions you are assigned to the sales cycle related stages, responsible stages.
No,
Then later,
my confusion
these
here is,
sales
Raj,
cycle you need to assign to your action profile assigned to your.
can I say?
I'm not getting either. Yes, please.
Yeah. See, you have your
Or you could you type?
no, you have your sales transaction, right? Honda sales methodology. You have a methodology. Right? And with that,
Okay.
in that methodology, you have a sales cycle. Yeah. And
Okay.
to those, you have different sales cycles, like stage 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah.
No, not in, wrong.
Oh.
Not different sales cycle. This is one sales cycle.
Okay.
For this sales cycle, you have sales stages.
All right. Okay. Okay. Now I'm getting it. And for those sales stages, you assign action profile based on the
So every
client's
stage,
requirement.
action, actions, actions, actions.
Okay. Action. Action.
Not action profile, only actions.
All right.
Then later, these actions all clubbed into action profile.
Okay.
This action profile you assign to your Honda sales methodology. Then only, then only these actions, everything will be displayed to your Honda sales methodology. So while doing, you will understood.
No, this is clear. Right?
CRM. Basic functions. Here actions.
There's no transaction code for it, Raj?
Actions in transactions. Yeah, you have T code. define action profile and actions. So there is no direct T code, you need to come to SPRO.
Okay.
So what you need to do? You need to define action, profile and actions. See here. You need to define action profile and actions. Later you need to give conditions, how actions should behave. Okay? Define action profile and actions, and define conditions. So define action profile. So go to new entries, new entries,
Bhuvnesh, you want to share your screen? Because when I share my screen, the recordings are all very, it's not complete screen that is captured.
I'm trying to. Hold on.
Raj, you can see Raj?
Raj, can you see this now?
You open?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, I'm still see basic function actions.
Um,
So take new entries. Now you can see my screen, right?
yes,
Yeah, we can. Just go one step back, Raj, because I don't know how you
Where
came
did
here.
we land this page? I mean this page.
Just go one step back.
Nothing here. I took new entries.
Okay. Okay, go on.
Okay.
If I go back again, it take delay.
All right.
Okay. Okay.
It asks.
Okay, got it.
These are all mandatory things. See here, this is ID I'm given, Honda action profile. Honda action profile. See, this action profile you are customizing for which transaction purpose? Mister? This action profile you are customizing for which transaction purpose?
For the Honda sales methodology.
There is methodology.
It's the opportunity management,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So,
Oh, yeah.
no, you are customizing this. You are customizing this action profile for all transactions. That means the same actions should be performed by every transaction. Then you can click this common profile checkbox. Then this action profile become a common profile for all transactions. No, it's only specific you are customizing for your opportunity transaction. Then you can assign here object type name. Here you can assign this your which transaction purpose you are customizing. Whether you are customizing for sales quotation or lead or opportunity or service. So what purpose, which transaction purpose you are customizing this action profile, you need to maintain here.
Raj, so does that mean if you don't tick on this common profile,
So
then it will be applicable for all the transactions, be it lead or opportunity or sales or quotation? Then you'll have the same action profile?
it's not applicable. It's not applicable. It's not applicable. It become a, it can use any of those transactions. Any transaction. It's not applicable. It's become a common profile. Now I am maintaining this action profile for specific for opportunity management.
Okay.
So every transaction has ID. So see here, CRM opportunity, business transaction BUS 2000 is opportunity. You are doing for service contract 100. You are doing action profile for purchasing this one. Service confirmation or complaint purpose or lead purpose, sales item purpose. So you are customizing for opportunity, you need to maintain the transaction type. And you know ABAP, in ABAP we have a standard methods, classes need to be used. So here also standard class, context class. For this action profile, standard context class need to be maintained. This is already system defined. No need to customize, just you need to assign. See here, CRMD order, context class for CRM order. This is the standard. In real time also we will use this only, don't worry. So now you define your action profile. First step, you define action profile. Second step, in that action profile what you need to define? Action definitions. Nothing but collection of actions. Each action, one action is become an action profile. So what actions we need to customize? Here we done gather customer mixed information. So that is one action. This is one action. This is one action. All actions you need to customize. So go to action definition. Second step. Take new interface. So first action, Z, what is your action? Gather customer missed information. So I can take as ID GCMI. Can I take like that? Gather customer missed information. Okay. Fine? Guys, please respond.
Yes, Raj. Yes.
So this action, every action need to perform, you need to do two things. One is action should be processing time and processing type. Every action to perform like perform time you require and performance type. Like what is time? When this action need to be performed.
Raj can't hear you.
We can hear you.
Information. Action need to be performed. Like processing time, like there are three types of processing time. One is immediate. Immediately you need to process. Second, when saving the document. Another thing, when selected when selected the some here see selection report process using when selection report means all selected all the actions and then only need to be processed or immediate process or when saving the document. So 99% immediate processing will be used. So some actions want to be client want when saving after saving the document only that action need to be processed. Okay, so this action when need to be processed means see I am doing action settings of this gather customer missed information. When need to be processed? Immediate processing. Any processing times not permitted. Here selection report and immediate processing, selection report, immediate processing, processing and saving, no restrictions. Like you are giving no restrictions to process immediate. Okay, so next action description. This is like a free text. Whatever you if you put full stop also, don't worry. See that will go to green. This is the space for you are writing something for this action detail, like you are gathering customer information. See, if I remove this dot and I can write as a gathering customer missed information. Likewise, you can write as regarding this action related any free text you can write here. This is the space. So first tab is like processing time, any restrictions you are maintaining, that action settings. Second tab is like it's the free text to write you. And third is action merging. What is the concept of action merging means here you can see number of unprocessed action, one unprocessed action for each definition, one unprocessed action for each processing type. Like every action need to be processed. So allow any number of actions. At a time we will not allow all actions. What we want? One maximum successful of one action and move for the next action. Like if I remove this checkbox, maximum one successful action, then move to the next action. Likewise, you can do customization backend. First you define action profile. In that action definition you define your first action, you maintain processing time and you maintain description, you maintain action, how to perform, process, maximum one after one. Okay, then what I told, next step, processing time, type. Processing type. Type means, see, every action has different type to process, like gathering information. How we need to process this action? Different ways, like something like email or fax or print or meeting the customer or assigning job to the some other person or through automatic workflow or mail should be triggered. Likewise, different ways your action, according to your action behavior, these actions will process on different types. So your action, gathering missed information, gathering customer missed information, how need to be processed this type of action. So those details you need to maintain here in a processing type. So here, if you go to new entry, come here, click this. See here how your action need to be performed through external communication, through method call, through fax, through mail, through print, through trigger alert, through workflow. You maintained earlier when need to be processed, then now how need to be processed, which way your action should be processed. So gathering means you are personally going and meeting. You means your sales assistant or is doing so. If he is going for that action should be take as a fax or he need to send a mail or print, then we can use smart forms. Then without your any intention that action should be performed, then you can use workflow. And through any internal or external, any like e-commerce external communication required, then you can use that action is the processing type is external communication. But 90% of other than fax, mail, print, we can use method call. Method call is nothing but it's a standard like SAP given for method call, like subsequent documents. If you want to do anything, then you can use for method call. Use method call, standard method. Select that method call. That means your action is processing through method call. Click here set processing. Select your method call and click set processing. Go to which method you need to process. So you can select your method, how your action need to be processed. So standard methods I am using. This is already SAP developer is predefined. Just you need to select which you want to use in your particular action. Copy underscore document is the method I am using for generate subsequent document. This is the method I am using for my gather customer information. So processing parameters. Click this pencil mark button. For every action process is same. Remember, if you are following one action, the next action is easy for you. So if you click that pencil button, then go to create. Then here, these are all standard, don't worry. Process underscore type is nothing but this is the processing type. So what you are processing? Gather customer information. First missed information. Or you can use here also process underscore type. And here CRMC underscore process type, process underscore type. So don't worry, these all the structure feed is through the ABAP dictionary where the data is storing. So you are going for method call, you can use standard steps like processing type, process type, CRMC underscore process underscore types and processing type, standard. Now you will come actually you need to maintain initial value. Now here you need to maintain your processing type. Click this So now you can select how your transaction need to be processed, by meeting or by taking appointment.
Hello. I think we lost one.
ZH. So we didn't save. So go to new entry. I'll show you the steps for fax, mail, print also. If your action is print, then what steps need to be followed. If your action is mail, I'll show you.
Okay. Copy underscore dot.
In your CR100, I sent you a file, Mr. Imran. Go through that. Action profile is one of the topic available to you. Read that.
All right. Okay.
Monesh, I also shared in
Yes,
Google
yes,
Drive,
Yeah.
CR100.
I have that document.
Then you will find standard methods there. So I am taking by through appointment, this action is processing. So I am selecting in this particular action the sales assistant through appointment gathering information. So I presetted back end so that this is the way only the front end user will perform the action.
All this setting was for the sales assistant to gather information via meeting, via appointment, is it?
Via London.
What does it tell us? Raj, when you're clicking, just say, okay, I'm clicking this enter, or when you're
Yeah.
double clicking, you say you're double
44
clicking.
degrees.
Here also it's hot these days. But not as half as hot as 44.
Yeah.
Yeah, Raj, when you're clicking or when you're double clicking, just say it so that we know, because I cannot follow the cursor and I don't know what you've done next. Okay, we'll type it.
Nothing, just press enter, right symbol, confirm, confirm, confirm. Just enter the right one.
Yeah. No, if you keep saying it, then it'll be easier for us.
It's
to follow.
easier even during the videos
Yes.
when I watch it back again.
Over. I am going back. I am
Then
going back
saying
to
for the
define
next
next.
one. Yeah.
Next action. And save. So go to action definitions. Take new entry. So customize second action. Check feasibility of the product. Action 2. So G, check feasibility of product. Check feasibility of product. Same process. Processing type. Again, this also I am taking method call. Next I will take other thing. Or you want to check through mail or something, not on method call. So take mail. So select your smartphone mail. So here the steps for if you are going for mail processing type of your action. So form name, CRM opportunity is your form name, mail form name. CRM underscore opportunity 01. Click right, click select. So the standard classes and methods need to be used. So standard classes for mail. CRM class document processing underscore CRM underscore order is the standard class. And the standard method CRM underscore order underscore executive smartphone. Save. So this is the way you can define your mail. So go to your again action definition. Ten 20 is nothing but like sorting order. First action is 10, second action is 20, isn't it? And take new entries. From sales team or through sales team the negotiation is happening.
Raj, why was that sequence given?
Z to sales team. Sales team. So what?
Why was that sequence given, Raj? In the previous step, you'd given a sequence 20 and 10.
You can take 1, 2, Mr. Just a look and 20.
No, you can give anything, but why are you giving it? Was the question. Is there any specific, like when in pricing you have access sequence and you give steps 10 and 20, and then that is to pick up? Is it something like that? Are you there, Raj?
So select method called continue.
Where did you click now, Raj?
You click that select button and this is the edit. Okay.
I think he...
Third action.
Yeah,
This is the third action step. You need to click the pencil and create. So always you want new. CRMC. Initial value. Click F4 or anything. You can click this. So internal sales departments of conversion with colleagues from department. So I am taking meeting. Negotiation action.
okay.
Continue. Then continue. Save. So this is like third one. And take new entry. So last action, prepare agreement. Easy, prepare agreement. So this prepare agreement should be, will follow print. Okay, processing time will see print. Earlier case we saw mail, now we'll see print. What, Mr. Imran? Are you there?
Yeah, Raj, I'm here.
No response. Imran? Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Oh, Punesh?
Yes, Raj. I hear you.
Where is Imran?
He's right here. I could hear him.
He went to loo or what?
He's right there.
Imran?
He's typing.
Is the fourth action. I am going to processing type. Then no response, dude. I am taking processing type is print. So the form name,
Hey, Raj. It's just time for me to leave, and I'll catch up on the recordings later when I'm back. Okay. I'm assuming same time tomorrow as well. Okay.
hopefully.
Time tomorrow.
Hopefully means that means doubt, Raj.
Hold on. Did you say that's in doubt?
Hello?
Hello? Raj, did you say that's in doubt about tomorrow?
I didn't get his doubt.
Raj, did you say tomorrow is not confirmed? Or
No,
did you say
No.
confirmed?
no doubt, no doubt, no doubt.
Okay. Thanks.
No doubt,
Okay, thanks.
no doubt. No doubt, mister.
Raj, how does one remember all this? CRM underscore, all the data objects, the elements.
experience.
So just have to practice that. There will be some user-defined forms also, right? So if you're using that, this form name will change?
Yeah. Yeah.
But when are we?
Obviously.
When will we be using
But you are
new forms?
using for opportunity purpose. I am taking opportunity.
Okay. No, I mean for opportunity, if they have new forms, if the standard form that is available does not cater to the requirement, and if they need a new form to be created, so I mean, what will be the instance when this requirement might come up in real time? Or have you come across some new forms that have been used?
Whatever the client requirement, as per the client requirement, what form need to be used, we assign those details as a functional consultant. Technical consultant will define if any new form, the technical consultant through ABAP or through ABAP, if a technical consultant, he know ABAP how to customize the forms, so he customize the forms.
Okay.
So dude, today network is very slow.
Yeah, it's very slow.
Action profile to your transaction,
Okay.
then this action profile will be complete.
In conditions you have to create that.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, so what we have done here is we have defined an action profile and then defined actions, and then those actions are going to be then we'll have defined conditions, and then you have to assign this action profile to the transaction type.